Welcome to my channel. Today let's watch the excellent tomb of Ramses IV in the Valley of Kings in Luxor. The tomb of Ramses IV is one of the finest and best preserved royal tombs in the Valley of Kings. It is officially known as KV2 and it is located near the entrance. It was built for Ramses IV, who ruled Egypt from about 1155 to 1149 BCE during the 20th dynasty. It follows a straight axis design with broad corridors leading directly to the burial chamber, unlike the more complex layouts of earlier royal tombs. The walls are beautifully decorated with scenes from the Litany of Ra, Book of Caverns, Book of the Dead, Book of the Unbroken, and the Book of the Heavens, which were intended to guide the king safely through the afterlife. Large red granite sarcophagus still remains inside the burial chamber, although it was damaged in ancient times. The burial chamber has a magnificent astronomical ceiling featuring the sky goddess Nut stretching across the heavens with stars, one of the tomb's greatest artistic highlights. Here you come across exceptionally colorful wall paintings. The walls retain vivid reds, blues, yellows, and greens, making the tomb of Ramses IV one of the most visually striking royal tombs. The tomb contains hundreds of Greek, Roman, and Coptic graffiti showing that it was visited for more than 2000 years. Watch the beautiful Coptic graffiti. Ramses IV ruled Egypt for about 6 to 7 years, from 1155 to 1149 BCE. Although his reign was short, he accomplished several important works. He secured the throne after the assassination of his father Ramses III and punished those involved in the palace conspiracy. He launched major building projects, including the expansion of the Temple of Khonshu at Karnak and the construction of a large mortuary temple at Thebes. He organized one of Egypt's largest quarrying expeditions to Wadi Hammamat, involving more than 8,000 workers to obtain stone for monuments and statues. He sent mining expeditions to the Sinai Peninsula to obtain turquoise and copper, helping maintain Egypt's valuable mineral resources. He increased workforce at Deir el-Medina. He doubled the number of royal tomb builders to speed up construction projects. He completed and decorated his own tomb, KV2, in the Valley of Kings, which is renowned for its vivid astronomical ceiling and well-preserved inscriptions. He preserved the legacy of Ramses III through the Great Harris Papyrus, one of the most important historical documents of ancient Egypt, recording his father's achievements and temple donations. Despite his ambition, Ramses IV's early death prevented him from completing many of his grand construction plans. Nevertheless, he is remembered as a pharaoh who tried to restore Egypt's prosperity through large scale building, mining, and religious projects. I was very much impressed by the beautifully preserved painted reliefs inside the tomb of Ramses IV. I hope you like them too. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.